Good morning, students. This is Kiran sir from Musalabai Banwani School of Scholars. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to deal lesson number 10 in English grammar. Tenses, talking about the present and the past. Part second. We already deal about the part first. Now this is the part second. Okay. So today we are going to deal present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. This is the sub part of the present tense. This is the last part. So when we are discussing about the present perfect continuous tense, subject plus have been, has been, plus VING plus object. So this is the formula when you writing the present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have been, has been, plus V4 means VING, and after that object. Okay, got it? This is a very simple. Say here, the present perfect continuous tense is used for action that began at some time in the past and still is continuing. This is the present perfect continuous tense. Action happened in the past but still continuing. अभी भी जारी है. So that time we use the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, got it? In present perfect continuous tense, action happened in the past and result of this action happening in the present. So that time we have to use the present continuous tense. Say here, this is the example. I have been working here for 6 years. I have been working here for 6 years. मैं 6 साल से यहाँ पे काम कर रहा हूँ. 6 साल से. Starting with the past and still continuing this action. I have been working here for 6 years. And generally when you discussing about the present perfect continuous tense, there are some phrases how long, since, for. There are another phrases all morning, all evening, all day. These are the words we have to use in the present perfect continuous tense. So actually sir, already you people gave the information regarding the since and for. So this is the place where we use since and for. Okay, see the first example. I have been working here for 6 years. मैं 6 साल से यहाँ पर काम कर रहा हूँ. Now second, we have been waiting for the bus since 4 o'clock. यहाँ पर हम बस का वेट कर रहे हैं कब से? 4 o'clock. Since. Actually in last period we discussed about that. Since is showing the point of time, and for is showing the period of length or time. कितना लंबा समय है, that time we use the for. And what is the specific time, the point of time, that time we use the since. This is the uses of for and since. I hope you got it, meaning of the both and where you can use that for and since. Okay, see the third example. The baby has been crying all morning. The baby has been crying all morning, all evening, all day. These are the words we can use in the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, got it? This is the idea. You have to identify this tense. This tense is also used for an action already completed. So this is the present perfect continuous tense, but there are some examples having the action already completed and result of the action happen in the present. The result of the action happen in the present, so that's why that time also we have to use the present perfect continuous tense. Say here, I am very tired. मैं बहुत थक चुका हूँ. I have been playing tennis because already given the reason here. I have been playing tennis. मैं टेनिस खेलते आ रहा हूँ. That's why I am very tired. So this is the action completed and this result showing in the present also. Okay, got it? Now already we discussed about the how long. So this is the tense. We have to make a questions with the help of the how long. Actually we deal about the for and since. Okay. So there are using the how long. This is the one phrase when we using in a present perfect continuous tense, making a question. See here. How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? कितने समय से आप यहाँ पे वर्क कर रहे हो? For 6 years, for 10 years, for 15 years. This is the answer. So that's why how long use in the present perfect continuous tense making a question. कितने समय से तुम यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हो? कितने समय से तुम यहाँ पे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? That time we have to use the how long. See again. How long have you been working here? कितने समय से कितने देर से यहाँ पर काम कर रहे हो? Now second example. How long have you been living here? How long have you been living here? कितने देर से कितने सालों से यहाँ पर रह रहे हो? We can say that since 2010. Since 2010. This is the answer when you ask the question with how long. How long have you been working here? For 6 years. Okay, you got the answer. Since and for. Since is using for the point of time. कब से? And when you are using the for is the period or length of time. That's why this is the importance of since and for in the present perfect continuous tense. I hope students you understand properly. Okay? Okay? Yes, you already know about the tenses. Have a nice day. Thank you.